Did you know there's a media player so powerful that over 53 million people worldwide have already switched to it? Hello guys, welcome to Software Hope. In today's video, we'll be reviewing VLC Media Player and showing you exactly how to use this amazing tool that might just change the way you watch videos forever. If you're finding this helpful in these first few minutes, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful software tutorials just like this one. Let me first tell you what makes VLC Media Player so special. VLC was created by Videolan Organization, which is a non-profit organization. That's right, this incredibly powerful tool was made by people who aren't trying to profit from you. VLC Media Player is one of the most widely used video players available today. Just look at these numbers. Over 53 million people are currently using it, and this number keeps growing continuously. The download count just keeps climbing higher every day. What's amazing about VLC is that it supports all devices including Windows, Linux, macOS, iOS, Android, and Unix systems. This means no matter what device you're using, VLC has got you covered. Here's where things get even better. This media player has absolutely no ads whatsoever. Your user data is never tracked. Plus, it supports numerous video formats right out of the box without needing any additional plugins. You can even customize its skin using extensions to make it look exactly how you want it. Now, let's dive into VLC's dashboard. Let me open VLC Media Player for you. As you can see, VLC has an extremely simple and clean interface that makes it easy for anyone to use, whether you're tech-savvy or not. Let me show you all the different ways you can open files in VLC. If you want to open any file, simply go to Media, then click on Open File and select your video. Then click Open. See how our video has instantly started playing? It's that simple. This next feature is really useful. If you go to Media and open multiple files, you can add several videos that you want to watch one after another. Just add all the videos you want to watch and press play. Look at how the video starts playing right away. VLC will automatically play each video in sequence without you having to do anything. There's also an open folder option which I find super convenient. You can open videos folder by folder this way. For example, if I select this folder right here, all videos in it will play one by one. See how they automatically play in sequence? This is perfect for binge watching your favorite shows or going through a collection of family videos. Up next is a feature you'll really want to see. Open Network Stream. Here's where VLC really shines compared to other players. You can paste any website link or video URL and play it directly within VLC. Keep in mind this requires an internet connection. For all other features that use files stored on your system, you won't need internet at all. After that, there's the handy Open Location from Clipboard feature. If you've copied any location path, you can simply paste it here and play your video instantly. This saves you from having to navigate through folders to find your content. Now let's check out what's next in the playback menu. There's a fantastic custom bookmark feature that you won't believe how useful it is. This comes in handy when, for example, you're watching a movie with your family. If you suddenly need to leave and want to continue from the exact same spot later, you can simply create a custom bookmark. Let me show you how it works. Go to Playback, then Custom Bookmark, then Manage, and click Create. Let's say I'm at the 41-second mark right now. I create a bookmark here at this timestamp. Suppose I let the video continue playing, but need to leave for somewhere else. When I come back later, I can simply go to Custom Bookmark and click on my saved bookmark. See that? It takes me right back to the exact screen where I left off. This is a game changer for those long movies or documentary sessions. Here's where things get even more interesting. Let's go to the speed controls. From here, you can easily increase or decrease the playback speed however you like. For example, if I want to slightly increase the speed, look here. It changes to 1.1 from the normal speed of 1.0. If you want to increase the speed even more, you can select faster or fastest. Watch what happens when I select faster. It goes to 1.5 speed. Your video will play much faster, which is perfect for skipping through slower parts of videos. See how quickly it's playing at 1.5 speed? If I simply return the speed to normal, it instantly goes back to normal speed. Sometimes we need to fast forward through videos, and this is exactly how you can do it without missing important parts. This next part is a real time saver. There's jump forward. Jump forward means the video will jump ahead by a set amount of time. I'll show you right now. When I click jump forward, see how the video jumped ahead by 10 seconds? This is perfect for skipping intros or boring parts. If you want to jump backward, just select that option and you'll go back 10 seconds. This is super helpful if you missed something important and need to quickly go back. You won't believe how useful this next feature is. Jump to specific time. For instance, if I want to jump directly to the 1 minute mark, I simply enter 1 minute and 0 seconds here. When I click go, look at that. It starts at exactly the 1 minute mark. No more endless scrolling to find the part you want. Let's move on to the audio tab, where you'll find even more helpful options. There's audio device selection. If your laptop or PC has speakers or headphones connected, they will all show up here. Simply select whichever one you want to connect to, and the audio will play through that device instantly. In stereo mode, you can select various options like mono, stereo, left, or right. This controls exactly how you hear the sound, whether from the left speaker, right speaker, or both. This is especially useful when watching older content or if you're working with just one earphone. There's also increase volume, decrease volume, and mute options that you can use to control the audio level without affecting your system volume. Up next, the video that might just revolutionize how you watch videos. There's a full screen option that I use all the time. Watch how the video transforms to full screen when I select it. If you want to exit full screen, just press Escape. See how it returns to normal mode right away? There's an always fit option that you can turn on or off depending on your preference. Here's something really cool that most people don't know about. If you want to keep this video playing while doing other work, you can select Set as Wallpaper. When you do this, you can still do other tasks while your video plays in the background. For example, if I need to use the calculator, I can still watch my video playing behind it while I work. Isn't that amazing? This way, you can multitask without any interruption. You can minimize the video and work on something completely different while still keeping an eye on what you're watching. If you want to exit this wallpaper mode, simply go back to the video section, select End Full Screen, and press Escape. See that? You're now back to normal viewing mode. The zoom options in VLC are incredibly flexible. You can select 1:1, 1:2, 1:4, and 2:1 ratios. For example, if I select 1:4, look at how the video becomes smaller on screen. This is particularly useful if your video quality isn't great. Making it smaller often makes it appear sharper and better quality. You can also zoom in and zoom out as needed. If I double the zoom, you'll see the entire video become zoomed in, letting you focus on specific details. If you want to return to the original size, just go to Video, Zoom, and select Original. Now your video is back to its original dimensions. You can also crop the video if needed. The crop option works similar to adjusting the aspect ratio, giving you even more control over how your content displays. The next tab you'll want to check out is Subtitle. Here you can easily add subtitles to your video if you have the subtitle file. This is perfect for foreign films or when you're watching content in a different language. This next part is where VLC really shines compared to other players. Let's explore tools, effects, and filters. In effects and filters, you can adjust all kinds of audio settings. You can change any audio parameter up or down however you like for the perfect listening experience. You can also modify the compressor, stereo effect, and various other sound settings this way to get exactly the audio quality you're looking for. If you want to close this menu, simply click to close it. In video effects, you can transform how your video looks. For example, as soon as I adjust the image settings, look at how the color changes. From here, you can adjust the video's color profile however you prefer. If you want more sharpness, you can easily increase that too. You can also boost brightness if your video is too dark. Whatever adjustments you need, you can make them right here in VLC. If you decide you don't want these effects anymore, simply uncheck them, and the video will instantly return to its original state. In the View menu, you'll find the versatile playlist feature. The playlist looks like this by default. Suppose you want to change how the playlist displays its items. You can select Icon View, and if you click on Playlist now, you'll see all your videos displayed as icons. If you prefer seeing more information, select Detail View, and it will show comprehensive details about each file. And if you want Picture and Flow View, it will display your content in an attractive, flowing layout. This last interface option is perfect for multitaskers. Next is Minimal Interface. With Minimal Interface, you can make this video player as small and unobtrusive as possible. Look at how tiny the video becomes. You can arrange it however you want and place it anywhere on your screen, so it never gets in the way of your other work. So guys, what did you think of this comprehensive tour of VLC Media Player? We've covered everything from basic playback to advanced features like custom bookmarks, playback speed adjustments, video effects, and the unique wallpaper mode. If you enjoyed this video even a little bit, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I regularly bring helpful tutorials just like this one that can make your digital life so much easier. Which VLC feature surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, friends. I'll see you in the next exciting video.